It has more protein content because it has no oil in it. Yeah, it's superb, guys. I can feel the honey taste in it.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's really nice meeting you guys. And today, what we are going to see is that scooter BBQ. It's a different concept. Here, what they are preparing is chicken barbecue. The most favorite one is honey BBQ. So I'm really eager to try that. So let's go see, guys, what are the varieties they are having and what are the varieties we are going to try. I heard they are also having chicken wings also. So let's move on, guys.
And we thank our subscriber to mentioning this place for us.
So let's move on, guys.
Wings is ready now, so now I'm just going to try that. So his name is Joseph. He's the one who recommended this shop, and really thanks for that.
Yeah.
And we are going to try the wings now. The chicken is really superb. I like the flavor, and the marination is really very good, guys. It has more protein content because it has no oil in it.
Now I'm going to taste honey and leg piece. Both are roasted in barbecue with honey. This one is. Let's check how tasty is this. This is mint chutney and what is this white color?
That's mayonnaise.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Scene podadara poda.
Leg piece is really nice, good.
Shellfish bucket.
The chicken is very good. It is very juicy and also the smoke taste is very good.
நம்ம ட்ரை பண்ணுவோம் அடுத்தது. இது வந்து ஹனி சிக்கன்.
எப்படி?
Yeah, it's superb, guys. I can feel the honey taste in it. லைஃப்ல இதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சாப்பிட்டதே கிடையாது நான். It's totally different. This is the first time I'm trying this. So guys, now we are going to try Pani Puri BBQ. So inside they are stuffed with chicken and mayonnaise.
BBQ chicken with mayonnaise and this is jaljeera water. Kiss me, close your eyes, kiss me.
Wow. Chop the chicken and stuff inside the pani puri. This puri.
You must all try this Pani Puri chicken. So guys, he is Kalirajan. He is the owner of this scooter barbecue. There is a good welcome from people for this barbecue. He is Karthik and he finished catering in college and had 2 years experience in cooking.
So guys, we really like this. The favorite one is honey chicken for me, honey BBQ.
And chicken Pani Puri is very nice for me.
Wow, even I like that. So if you guys come here, definitely just try and see these two things. It's near Sripati supermarket in that road.
In old
Virudhunagar road. Yeah, it's near old Virudhunagar road.
If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to subscribe us.
Let's see you next video, guys.
Bye.